Hi everyone, this is Timmy Singh. I'm the founder of ZokandZaari. We're a handbag brand based out of Chicago and New Delhi. We specialize in wooden, faux leather, fabric, and hand embroidery handbags. Our artisans are based in India. We also complete our manufacturing overseas, and we ship worldwide. If you visit our social media pages, you'll realize that we are so brand new. We don't have a lot of following, and we don't have a lot of social media presence at the moment. So I thought it would be the best idea to create a journey out of this, so I can reflect back and feel happy about the fact that how much we have grown and how much we've learned. And I want you to be a part of this journey. Here's an example of the kind of stuff we do. We work on creating unique pieces with unique knobs, and also our slings are amazing. They're high quality material. People ask me sometimes, would you work with leather and create leather clutch bags? I love animals. I feel it's such a painful experience to have had gone through in the last moments, that even if I create a product that uses height, what kind of energy would that product give me if I am to use that kind of material? So I don't want to use anything that was in misery at the end of its life. So that's the reason why I don't use leather. There's plenty of other material that can be used. There's fabrics, and there's the faux leather and wood and various other materials you can think of. The world is full of a variety of materials, and that's what I want to do. I want to work with fabrics and really mix and match and create bags that are unique. So, and the reason why I'm creating this vlog is because we're so brand new. We just launched. I want to create a journey out of this. I want to look back at my progress and say, wow, you know, I've come this far, I've achieved all of this, and feel good about myself. And in the process, I want you to be part of this journey. I'll show you my social media pages. We don't have a lot of following at the moment. We've launched our website. You can visit us at www.ZokandZaari.com. You can also get this on the site. It's called Snow White. Really, we also need to focus on our social media strategy, which we're developing at the moment. And we're looking to grow our customer base, our following base, so we can connect with more and more people. And not only that, and be able to do some good things in the world, be able to help animals, and really be able to help the world. And that's really somewhere in the heart, that when my business grows, I want to do some charitable work, and preferably for animals. So that's a little bit about myself. I will tell you a little more about my background in the next coming videos. But thank you so much for listening in. Come back tomorrow, visit our handles for some daily content on ZokandZaari's handbags and our journey and our progress, setbacks. Everything is to be learned from. So bye for now.